In this video, I'm going to share how to find a job. Unfortunately, today people have access to too much information, which can be a distraction and causes confusion. Confusion is the enemy of progress. We need less information and more direction. Would you agree? The shiny object syndrome is real. People can't seem to stick to one thing. They jump from university course to university course, from job to job. Why is that? It's because people don't know who they are. They don't know what their values are. Once you know what your values are, it's much easier to make a decision. In other words, once you know what you want, it's easier to make a decision. Your decision is based on what gets you what you want or gets you what you value. It's difficult to make a decision if you don't know what you want or you don't know what's important to you. So it's best to write down on a piece of paper what you want, what you value, and what's important to you. These are the things that energize you. Same for your work. You don't want to do work that de-energizes you, work that bores you or drains you. People that dislike their work are in the wrong job, and they know it. They look forward to Fridays and the weekend because they get relief. They get relief from the pain of doing their job. Spending 5 days out of 7 days, in other words, 5 days a week, every month, every year, year on year, is difficult if you don't enjoy what you're doing. That time is a huge part of your life, and it's going to affect your spirit, your attitude, and your energy. In a way, our education system has failed us in helping us to find the right career. I'm on a mission to improve that situation. Many people are questioning if the path they're on is the right path. If you're in a job now, look at someone that's been there 5 years or 10 years. Maybe it's your boss, and ask yourself, do you want to be in their shoes? Do you want to become like them? If the answer is no, then the best thing you can do is start considering making a change. The problem is that most people chose their career unconsciously. They use the monkey see, monkey do approach, or they listen to their parents, their uncles, their aunties, their brothers or sisters or aunties, and just went with what they suggested. They trusted other people's advice more than they trusted themselves, more than they trusted their own intuition or instincts. Funny as it sounds, an apple tree doesn't ask a banana tree what it should produce. An apple tree goes within and knows it's meant to produce apples and not bananas. To help you find out what you should be doing or what you should be producing or what your passion is, I suggest asking yourself the following questions. What do I love doing in my spare time? In other words, what are your hobbies? What did I want to do and be as a child? What subjects or activities did I enjoy most in school? If I won the lottery, what would I do? What challenges have I overcome that I would like to help others overcome too? What am I usually doing when I suddenly notice that time has flown by and all my focus has been on that one task? Who do I admire and why? What do people ask me for help with? What do I search for on the internet? Your passion is something that interests you. It's something that you can talk about for hours. You love doing it. It excites you and lights you up. Also, what do you care about and who do you care about? A career in that direction is worth exploring. Do you care about helping a particular group of people? Maybe it's children, maybe it's women, maybe it's men, maybe it's a particular group of people that's struggling with a particular issue. So in summary, understand what your values are, understand what's important to you and make decisions based on that. Choose a job or career that is aligned with your values, with what you care about and are passionate about. That way you will have unlimited energy and will excel in that chosen field. You'll feel happy and fulfilled, and that positive energy will spill over into other areas of your life, like your health, your relationships, and your finances. Think about it. We eat junk food when we're sad and we want to change our state. We snap at people when we're irritated and we want to offload some of our stress onto them. We do poor quality work when we dislike the work we do. So it's super important to know your values and to find your passion, because your passion is something you value. It's part of your value system. If you need help finding your passion and purpose, in other words, getting career clarity, get in touch, because that's something I specialize in. Please let me know in the comments below your thoughts and if this helped, or if you have any questions. If you already subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you for your support and encouragement. I really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you're interested in career-related content direct from someone that has over 45 years of working experience, from employee to employer to business owner, who's a certified workplace coach and has spent the last 10 years coaching people on how to take charge of their life and career and improve it, then please consider hitting the subscribe button. You also want to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. And if you liked or got some value from this video, please do give it a thumbs up so it can reach and help other people. Please share this video if you know someone that needs to see it. Till next time, take care.